Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Kavitsi Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have a super duper quick update for the Cardano community, specifically anyone who has a Cardano project and wants to distribute tokens. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. ViFi tweeted, announcement to projects on Cardano. Make it effortless for your community to claim tokens. With ViFi SafeSwap, claiming is just two simple steps. 1. Log into ViFi with your wallet. And 2. Go to SafeSwaps claims and select the tokens you're waiting for. ViFi is a uniquely Cardano DEX. I'm currently collaborating with a team and I really do love their products. They just launched something called SafeSwaps, and it makes it really easy to distribute tokens and do it in a really secure, safe way. So if you have a project or if you're trying to distribute a lot of tokens but don't want your identity to be out there in the public, this might be for you. Some folks did have questions though about transaction fees. Schwab, a Cardano community member, had a question. They asked, how much for a claim? And the ViFi team responded, the creator of a SafeSwap can now set how the transaction fee is shared with a counterparty. So I really like that. Each project has the power to choose their own transaction fees. There's not one entity controlling that, and it's really customizable. So depending on your project, depending on what you're serving for your community, you can customize that. If you enjoy this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now, the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors. And we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends with this content. And I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye.